Hey guys, how's it going? I've got something a little bit different for you today. It's kind of a lesson, but I have also got a mini drumless track included as well. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you a new beat, and it's a funky rock beat, suitable for beginners, but may also be useful for some of you intermediate guys as well. You know, it's always good to learn something new, expand your repertoire. So to start with, I'll be showing you the beat at 70 BPM. Feel free to start playing along and getting in the groove once you know how the beat should sound. Okay, so now I'm going to be playing the beat at 105 BPM. If you feel confident to continue, then play along with this one as well. Lastly, this is the drumless track that I've specifically created to work with this beat. It's also at 105 BPM. I've put in some small little gaps so that if you're feeling confident and want to add in a bit of flair and a little feel here and there, you can. If not, then just stick to the beat. Okay, here it is, guys.